Here is how to select multiple emails in Gmail by date. Let's go. To bring up the date range that we want to select, we're going to put a very specific search string into the search mail search box at the top. And this is what it looks like. You start out by putting after with a colon and then the date in this format. 4 characters for the year, 2 characters for the month, 2 characters for the date, followed by before colon with a date in the same format. For this example, I'm going to select all emails in this inbox from the year 2025. So I'm going to use New Year's Eve of 2024 as my after filter and before New Year's Day of 2026 as my before filter. So let's go ahead and hit enter, and we will see that this range of emails starts in August 2025 and goes all the way back to January 1st, 2025. Another interesting search command is older underscore than colon, and then you can put in your time filter like 1 year, and you can also put something like newer than, let's say 30 days. Going back to my 2025 example, once you're satisfied with the emails that the date and time filter has brought back, simply just click the select button at the top. And if there's more than 50 conversations or emails in this date range, go ahead and click this link. Select all conversations that match this search. You can then hit the delete key or archive them as appropriately. So that's how to select multiple emails in Gmail by date. Hope that helps.